You get ready for your part, Jack.
Go.
Would you like any whipped cream?
No thanks, have a nice day.
Hello, welcome to Mocha Beans. What would you like?
I don't know yet.
Okay, I'll have...
Want a cup? Want a cup?
Oh, wait, just leave. Okay, I'll have a low-fat vanilla bean latte. Would you like any whipped cream? Gilly. Yeah. Did you just push her out of line? Sorry. Who names their kid Gilly? Like, oh my god. Would you like any whipped cream? Sure, just put it on. Gilly.
Yum.
Gilly. Did you just like put the whipped cream on there? Gilly, stop.
I'll take that.
Gilly, did you just put whipped cream on her face?
Yeah.
And her scarf and her shirt.
Sorry.
Oh my god, she like ruined my facial.
Yeah. Sorry. Half an hour of waiting. Is it finally ready? Thank you. It's cold.
I know, at this point I got to actually. Wait, so I almost died.
Wait till I can see your face.
Oh snap. I can't believe I'm laughing.
Max, you did great.
Yeah, Jack, you did super.
Standing.
That was hilarious.
Good job, Brendan. New customer. Tell her you want some coffee. Tell her you want chocolate coffee.
That's my fault.
Say, ma'am, excuse me.
All right, Jack, you're done.
That was fun.
I was supposed to be standing there and you were supposed to spit on his
I was
face.
supposed to spit on him, but
Why? Yeah, it was.
he was only team.
And Jack even wanted him to.
That was good.
Wait, Val.
Bow, everybody. Casting call. Yay.
And Miss Billy Star.
Yay.
I'm the best part.
Percent.
Sorry.
Okay, Nico.
Hey, Doug, would you like any whipped cream? Hello, welcome to Mocha Beans. What would you like?
I don't know yet.
Okay, I'll have no. Okay, I'll have. Hold on. Okay, I'll have. Hello, whip.
I know. What's that? The army?
All right, keep going, keep going.
The army girl.
Would you like any whipped cream?
Gilly.
Gilly. Come on, we have to do this. You know, I already messed at the beginning.
I know she did.
All right, come on, guys. Come on, 26 seconds in.
Out of here. Hey, hello, we're the customer. Next
Yes, man, this is
Come on, restart the camera.
I'm wacky.
Oh my God, what was that? Jake. Would you like any whipped cream? Hey, she sit on the couch. Rachel. She sit on the couch. That's it. Wow. You need to be texting too. You need to text me. Stop banging the pole. Jake, you need to text me during. Okay. Are you still recording?
Wait, no, just.
I need my phone to go off so I can
She's recording.
Yum.
delete it.
No.
You can text
No,
her.
Ellie, seriously.
Would you like any whipped cream?
No thanks. Have a good day.
Hello, welcome to Mocha Beans. What would you like to say? Would you like any whipped cream?
No thanks. Have a good day.
Hello, welcome to Mocha Beans. What
I'll
would you like?
get some
recording.
Well, continue.
We'll edit. It's fine. Jack.